Hello, these are chicken heads, and I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna eat a whole chicken head in one bite. Check it out. Oh, the seasoning on this is so delicious. Chewing on the bones. So, if you've never had a chicken head before, this is a seasoned one. You can barely see the eye. This is the whatever thingy, the comb. Yeah, the comb. This is the chicken comb. And then this is where the eye would be, but you can barely see it because of the seasoning. This is the pot. The beak. I don't know. I don't know anything about chicken anatomy. I should have done my research. I'm sorry, guys. And then let me squeeze it. Let me tear it apart. Oh, some juices coming out. You see some juices coming out. This was probably boiled, seasoned, then grilled. Oh, I smashed the brain. Yeah, this is the tender chicken brain. You can see it there. That's why they're not so smart. I'm gonna eat it. It tastes creamy. Brain is creamy. Probably like the skull part. There's the skin. Chicken skin. Then, we get some more brain. Yeah, I know brain. If you're a man, you need to know what the brain is. And if you're a woman too, you gotta know. Chicken brain! Like, I eat this all the time, but it's so cool still. Like, it's tiny, but it's really creamy. Now I'm gonna try and get the eye out. See that blue part? That is a chicken eye. How amazing is that? Have you ever had a chicken eye? I have the chicken eye right here. Are you ready? It's nothing. It does, but perhaps it will improve my vision. We got some more chicken parts right here. You know what? I'm gonna eat the chicken beak. Yep, it's been boiled. It's been grilled. Wanna see me eat it? Okay, guys. Now it's time for the chicken beak. I think it's gonna be crunchy. Oh my gosh, it's just bone. A bit of cartilage. I think there was some tongue in there. Chicken tongue. It's meaty. It's delicious. I don't mind eating this every single day for the rest of my life. No cap. It's good. You should try it. Okay, so now I'm just trying to remove the skin. Some more brain for me. Hey, what am I, brother? Now I'm just gonna try the chicken skin on its own. Nothing else. Just the chicken skin. Check it out. Plain chicken skin. I'm going to roll it up into a bouquet of happiness. And into my mouth it goes. God, it's still got some hair on it, bruh. I don't care. Chicken skin. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm sorry to say this, but not crispy. It's a bit soggy. But it's better than KFC. In my opinion. You know, the best meats in the world are them offcuts. That's where the hidden gems are. Look at this. The bones are so soft. Look at that. I'm gonna finish everything else. And if you enjoy this kind of videos, you should like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. And more chicken head for me. Seven. Check out the tongue. This is the comb. This is the eye. You can see probably because of the seasoning. This is the tongue. This is the beak. This is where the neck would be. And this is food. This is food. This is the skin. Somewhere in here is the chicken brain. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, got some brain on my finger.